Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time, cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the king, and we making a killing. It's 2020.
Yo. What's your IG? Alright, I'm gonna push you on there, man. Hey, one more time, bro. Alright. Hey, John. Hey, two-step that bitch. God damn! Hey, God, man, that was freaking crazy, man. Camera SS, two-step. Yo, that thing is freaking insane, man. Hey, I appreciate you, man. Yes, sir, I appreciate you. So, guys, look at this Cobra right here. Guys, that paint is freaking insane, man. Yo, especially like this one, how it's so clean. I'm kind of ashamed I'm a Mustang guy, but I'm late. I'm late into this car scene, you know. So like, I didn't really know
So later on, when you got time, research the 0304 Cobra, bro.
Okay.
You won't, man. It's a beast of its own.
Yeah. Yo, this paint is freaking crazy too.
Oh, really?
You see the carbon fiber?
Yeah, even the wing and the
Yo.
Look, even man, details, bro.
That's crazy, man.
So these things are beasts, bro. So they come supercharged. They put like a pulley, just little things, man. And that, oh, it's his.
Yeah.
They put out so much power.
Damn.
What year is it? 03. 03. Did you modify the engine? Anything?
Man, this is freaking crazy, man. All 3 SVT Cobra. Is that the stock blower? Stock blower?
Stock blower, just smaller pulley.
Okay, stock blower, smaller pulley.
Those pulleys, like, you get a lot of bang for your buck on them.
Yeah.
They're like horsepower monsters.
Yeah. I like how clean it is, man. Like the paint is like.
You do, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, the paint is really clean. Yeah.
I might get a Whipple soon, so we'll see.
Right.
Oh, gosh, man.
You're a horsepower freak.
Guys, look at this M6 right here. This thing looks insane, man. This is his Instagram right here, and his YouTube. Make sure you guys look him up. This thing is crazy, man. Look at the side mirrors, the hood.
I ain't even noticed.
If he get here in time, he might not even hear her.
Got their juice. I think you already blew it out. Damn, 3 GoPros, man. Yeah, look at that. Hey man, I know y'all saw that Mustang orange with a two-step. Huh? I know you saw that Mustang with a two-step. That thing was freaking insane. Bagged and everything, man. I hope you guys enjoy that. Because my ears are definitely destroyed from that. So I hope it was worth it. You guys enjoyed that video, man.